Social media is a group of online platforms where people connect, share ideas, and communicate instantly, no matter where they are in the world. It helps us express thoughts, show creativity, and learn about others. In this lesson, we learn how people post, share, like, comment, follow, and unfollow on social media. A post is something you publish online to share your thoughts, feelings, pictures, or videos with others. When you make a post, you are sharing a message with people who follow you. It could be text like, "I had a great day today," or a picture of a place you visited. A post lets others know what you are thinking or doing at that moment. To share means to send or repost something that another person has created. Sharing allows more people to see that content. For example, you might share a friend's video, a funny picture, or some important news on your page. When you share content, you are helping it reach a wider audience and showing that it matters to you. To like a post means to show that you enjoy or appreciate what someone has shared. On most social media platforms, you tap a heart or a thumbs up to like it. Liking a post is a positive response. It shows support or agreement. For example, if your friend shares a beautiful photo, you can like it to show you enjoyed it. Commenting means writing something under a post to share your thoughts or feelings about it. Comments are a way to talk directly with others online. You can ask questions, give compliments, or share opinions. Positive comments help create friendly conversations. For example, writing, "That looks delicious," under someone's food photo shows kindness and engagement. Following someone means you choose to see their posts and updates regularly on your social media feed. When you follow people, their new content appears whenever they share something. It is a way of showing interest in what they post. For example, you can follow a teacher, a news page, or a favorite artist to keep learning from them. Unfollowing means you stop seeing a person's posts or updates in your feed. You might unfollow someone if you are not interested in their content anymore, or if you want to keep your social media simple. Unfollowing helps you manage your time and focus on people and pages that are meaningful to you. It does not always mean you dislike the person. It just changes what you see online. Engagement on social media means interacting with people in positive ways. You can like, share, comment, or follow to show interest and build relationships. Each small action helps you connect with others and be part of an online community. Meaningful engagement creates learning, friendship, and understanding across the world. Online etiquette means using good manners and being kind while communicating on social media. Always show respect in your comments and posts. Give credit when you use someone else's words or pictures. Avoid sharing false information, hurtful messages, or anything negative. Think before you post because words online can affect others deeply. Politeness builds trust and keeps social media safe and friendly. Social media is a great way to connect with people, share ideas, and express yourself. You can post your thoughts, share content, like and comment to engage with others, follow people who inspire you, and unfollow to manage your space. Always be kind, respectful, and thoughtful in every interaction. Using social media wisely helps you grow and build meaningful connections online.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.